If you've ever seen the distinctive green and white TD logo, you might have wondered about the global reach of this major financial player. The answer is that its roots and primary focus are firmly planted in North America, spanning two huge nations. The full name of the institution is the Toronto-Dominion Bank. The Toronto part gives away its country of origin, Canada. It's one of the nation's big five banks, a massive and historically significant financial institution with its corporate headquarters located in Toronto, Ontario. In Canada, its retail division is widely known as TD Canada Trust. It operates thousands of branches and its famous green machine ATMs, serving millions of customers from coast to coast. However, the bank's ambitions didn't stop at the 49th parallel. TD Bank Group has a monumental and highly visible presence in the United States. In the U.S., the retail operation is branded simply as TD Bank, with the marketing slogan, "America's Most Convenient Bank." This massive American subsidiary primarily serves the East Coast, with an extensive network of branches running all the way from Maine down to Florida. This expansion was fueled by a series of strategic acquisitions, transforming it into a major player in the American financial market. So, while the parent company and its heritage are proudly Canadian, the retail bank, the one most people interact with every day, is a true North American enterprise, dominating the financial landscape in both Canada and the United States. It is a cross-border powerhouse built on a foundation of Canadian finance and American retail expansion.